Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, I am going to elaborate the error. I am going to tell you the error which you can got while connecting your application to the database, which is the class not found exception that you can got. That I am going to tell you in the today's tutorial. So here you can see that here I have created the connection code, that is I have created the class, that is connection provider, and into that I have created the method which is a get connection method that you can see, and that get connection method is going to be connect our application to the database, that is by loading the driver and the connection URL which we have provided. Here you can see that. So node taker, which is the, you can see that, which is the database to which we are going to create connect by make use of the you can see that application. So and that method is going to be return the connection object. Here you can see that, and that connection object is a confirmation that we are successfully created to our database application. So whether I got something into that connection object, I can confirm that you can see that I can confirm I am going to connect it to the application. So here you can see that into the home page itself I have accepted that connection object from that method, that is get connection method, which we have just created. So here you can see that the connection object is this. If I got something into the connection object, then I will confirm that our application is going to be connected to our database. So whatever the node taker database I have already created to that. So first of all, let me run this project. Just right click on it and click on run on the server, and when I do that, you can see that into the browser you can see there is null into that connection object. As you can see, that is our application is not connected to the database. So why does this happen? So let me check to the console. So into the console you can see that it is going to be written like class not found exception. That is we haven't added the MySQL connector, that is to connect our application to the database. We have require the connector, that connector in between that our application and the database. In my case, which is the MySQL connector. So to download it, you have to go to the Google and search for the MySQL connector, and here you have to just download that MySQL connector. The first website, as you can see, which is going to be appear here, and into that JDBC driver we want, that is I am going to JDBC driver for MySQL, because I am using the MySQL database. So here you have to select platform independent, and this is the zip file that you can see, the zip file which is 4.8 MB. You can see that you have to just download. No, just start my download, and here you can see that the zip file is going to be downloaded, and you have to open this file into the file explorer. Let me open it, and let extract this file here itself. So let extract it, and here into that I got the MySQL connector. So let open that folder, and this is the MySQL connector, as you can see, which we have to add to our project. So let's go to the project. Just right click on your project, go to the build path and go to the configure build path. Into that, into the libraries tab, you have to select the class path here, and into the class path you have to just add to the class path, you have to add that MySQL connector. So to add it, you have to go to the into the right side, there is a button called as add external jar. Just click on that, and here you have to select our downloaded MySQL connector. So let me select it and click on open. Let me select and click on open, click on apply and close. Okay, so when I do that, our application is going to, the MySQL connector is going to be connected to our application. So let me again right click on my project, click on run on the server, and when I do that, you can see our application is going to be run, and it says that is, you can see that connection object is there. There is something into that connection object, that is, as I got the connection object, I am successfully connected to our database. So sometimes it happens, even if you add the MySQL connector to your project, but still we got a null into that connection. So why does that happen? That I am going to tell you. To solve that, just right click on your project. To solve that error, you have to just right click on your project, go to the properties of your project. Let's go to the properties of your project, and into that you have to let me go to the properties. Okay, and into the properties, you can see that into the left side you can see there is a deployment assembly written here. Just click on that. Yes, click on apply, and here you can see that here there is no entry of the MySQL connector that you have to add. Just click on that add button here, and into this window you have to select Java build path entries, and click on next. So when you click on next, here you can here you got your MySQL connector which you have added. Just you have to just select that MySQL connector and click on finish, and when you do that, the entry is going to be applied here, and just click on apply and close. So now when you right click on your project and run on the server, and you have to restart the server, yes, and when you do that, you can see our application is going to be run perfectly. So now our application got the connection to the got the MySQL connector. So and our application and the MySQL database is going to be connected. So here you can see that as soon as I run the project, so here I got the connection object. Is here I got the connection object. So it confirms that I am going to connect it to the MySQL database successfully. So I hope this error will help you. This video will help you while solving the errors.